In a world full of noise, where everyone is trying to be heard, trying to be seen, trying to prove something, there exists a different kind of woman. She doesn't fight for attention. She doesn't chase validation. She doesn't need to be loud. Because her presence alone, though, speaks louder than words ever could. She is the Sigma female, and once you become her, you'll never feel the need to explain yourself again. A Sigma female walks alone, not because she's lonely, but because she knows her path is sacred. While the world rushes, she moves slowly, deliberately, with grace. She isn't trying to fit in, she's trying to remain authentic. She sees through things, through fake smiles, shallow compliments, and empty crowds. She doesn't follow the herd because her soul wasn't built for ordinary. The Sigma woman, she doesn't seek to control, she seeks to understand. She leads not by dominance but by deep inner alignment. She is calm but never passive. She is kind but never a pushover. She is independent, not because she doesn't need anyone, but because she refuses to need the wrong people. Her confidence, it doesn't scream, it radiates. She can walk into a room and say nothing, and yet somehow everyone knows she's there because she doesn't need attention to feel worthy. She already knows her worth. She doesn't wear it like a badge, she carries it in her energy. But what truly makes a woman Sigma? She isn't loud, she doesn't need to be, because her presence speaks louder than words ever could. A Sigma female doesn't play the game of social ranks. She steps outside of it completely. While others compete to lead, she simply leads herself. She walks her own path, not because she's rebellious, but because she's awake. She knows who she is, and that knowing, that changes everything. She finds peace in solitude, power in reflection, and joy in being alone. Not because she hates people, but because she loves herself. She feels deeply, thinks profoundly, and lives intentionally. She's not here to impress, she's here to be real. But where does her confidence come from? Confidence doesn't have to be loud. In fact, the most powerful kind is silent. A Sigma female doesn't need to announce her worth. She walks like she knows it. She isn't trying to prove anything because she's already convinced herself. She doesn't beg for attention. She doesn't perform for praise. And she definitely doesn't compete for validation. She knows her value, and that kind of self-belief, it pulls people in without her even trying. That's not arrogance. That's alignment. Her confidence doesn't scream, it whispers. And that whisper echoes long after she's left the room. Where does she find her strength when she's alone? Most people run from being alone. But the Sigma female, she runs toward it. In her silence, she finds clarity. In her solitude, she finds strength. She isn't lonely, she's reconnecting. While the world chases noise, she sits in the quiet, listening to her own voice. And that voice, it's kind, it's steady. It reminds her, Leti, you don't need the world to understand you, you just need to stay true to you. That's her power. She doesn't fear losing people because she's never willing to lose herself. Why does she stay quiet in a world that won't stop talking? She doesn't overshare. She doesn't tell everyone everything. She doesn't need to. There's mystery in her silence. And that mystery, it draws people in. She observes more than she speaks. She listens more than she reacts. She reveals only what she chooses to. And that makes her unpredictable, magnetic, unforgettable. Because in a world obsessed with exposure, she chooses privacy. She chooses depth. And that makes her rare. And the rare ones, they're always remembered. How does she protect her energy in a world that drains us? A Sigma female doesn't let just anyone into her life. Her energy is sacred and she protects it fiercely. She doesn't entertain gossip, she doesn't tolerate disrespect, and she never ever begs for love. Not because she's heartless, but because she's healed. She knows what peace feels like, and she's not willing to trade that peace for chaos disguised as company. Her boundaries aren't walls, they're doors with locks. and only the worthy get the key. She doesn't say yes to everything. She says yes to what aligns. And what happens when the world misunderstands her? The world will try to test her. Some will misunderstand her silence, call her cold, distant, too much, too intense. Let them. Because the Sigma female doesn't get her worth from other people's opinions. She gets it from within. She builds her confidence like a fortress, not with ego but with integrity. She keeps promises to herself. She holds herself accountable. And that quiet discipline, that's what makes her unstoppable. Her self respect isn't loud, but it's loud enough to silence every doubt in her mind. So, what if you are one of them? If this feels like you, if you've ever felt like you don't quite belong, like you're too deep for surface conversations, too quiet for the noise, too strong for the weak hearted, then maybe you were never meant to fit in. Maybe you were meant to lead from the shadows, to inspire with your presence, to heal with your silence, and to rise without making a sound. You are not less because you're quiet. You are more because you're real. And that is your silent strength. That is your magnetic confidence. That is the Sigma way. If this message touched something deep in you, like, share and subscribe. And comment below, I'm stepping into my Sigma era. Because you don't need permission. You just need to remember who you are.